Fellow farmer, let's talk about cassava varieties today. The truth is, for you to venture into cassava farming, there's need to understand the different cassava variety out there, okay? And for you to choose a particular variety to plant, there's need for you to understand their uniqueness and their differences. For instance, the company you want to sell your cassava to, what are they into? Okay? Or you don't want to sell to a company, you want to process yourself. Now, if you want to process yourself, what are you processing your cassava into? Are you going to process flour, or you want to be producing gari, or you want to be producing ethanol, or you want to be producing starch? No. Now, in trying to answer those questions, you must use a particular varieties. Okay, so let's see the differences in cassava variety. Now, in Nigeria, they have renamed some of the cassava we know. Not that they change them, but they just rename them for easily identification. So, one of the most popular one, which is common, I know many of us must have heard about it, is TME 419. TME 419 name remains TME 419, okay? That one was not changed. Now we have another one we call Fine Face, okay? We have another cassava variety we call Farmer's Pride. We have another one called Dixon. We have another one called Sunshine, okay? And Ayaya, okay? Now, apart from this one I just mentioned, there are other ones also which I don't want to talk about now, okay? For instance, the poundable cassava is still there. If you have heard about Ghana fufu, that is what Ghana use mostly. You know, they produce this cassava, boil it and mix it with plantain and pound it. Okay, they boil it and pound it. So that is Ghana fufu. It's a particular cassava that you can boil and consume as yam. Okay, so we are going to talk about that one maybe in subsequent time or in subsequent video, but we are going to be focusing on this video on Dixon, TME 419, Sunshine, Farmer's Pride, and Fine Face. Okay, now behind me is one of my farm which I used to cultivate different varieties of cassava. Please note that as a farmer, you cannot have all the varieties. Okay, you cannot cultivate all the variety because your cultivation or your market determine the type of the cassava you are cultivating. For instance, in this locality in Delta State, our main purpose of cultivating cassava is to process either to gari, starch, or fufu. Okay, even the starch is for consumption, not all those company grade starch. Okay, our major purpose of cassava is production of gari and fufu. Okay, so the particular variety we plant is a variety that give result in that area. So let's talk about TME 419. TME 419 is a cassava variety that is preferred if you are going into starch production. For instance, a company that produces starch, they prefer to buy that TMA 419. Okay, so if you are going to cassava farming and your market is those people that produce starch, or you have in mind to process your own cassava into starch, TMA 419 should be the variety you should plant. All the cassava varieties, they are very similar in the sense that all of them can give you gari, they can give you starch, they can give you fufu, internal, flour, etc. But the uniqueness or the differences is that the quantity each of them give differ. TMA 419 is good at giving you good quantity in starch production. It's okay. Now, let's say you want to go into gari production. You can consider Dixon. You can consider Fine Face. You can consider Sunshine. You can consider Farmer's Pride.